In this video, I am going to solve O-level additional mathematics from this book, exercise 2E, one number problem. One number problem, it says find the values of k for which x minus 1 is a factor of this expression. This means if we divide this expression by x minus 1, the remainder will be 0. Here x is only variable and k is constant. We should find the value of k. First, let x as a function f of x is equal to 3x cubed plus 7x squared minus kx plus 5. Now we should find the value of x by putting x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we will get x is equal to 1. So if we put the value of x here, then we will get f of 1 is equal to 3 into 1 cube plus 7 into 1 square minus k into 1 plus 5. And according to the remainder theorem, this expression must be 0. Now we can calculate it. We will get 3 plus 7 minus k plus 5 is equal to 0. So if we add 3 plus 7, we will get 10, then plus 5, then we will get 15, and minus k is equal to 0. From here we can write k is equal to 15, and this is our final answer. And this is the value of k. Now come to solve 1b. As like before, we should take x as a function. F of x is equal to, let f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus k x squared minus 8x minus 18. As like before, let's find the value of x by putting x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then we will get x is equal to minus 2. So if we put the value of x in this expression, we will get f of x, we will get f of minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 whole cube plus k into minus 2 whole square minus 8 into 2 minus 2 minus 18. And according to the remainder theorem, this expression must be 0. So if we solve this one, we will get minus 16, and from here we will get plus 4k minus and minus, this one will be plus 16, then minus 18 is equal to 0. So if you calculate this one, you will get 16 and plus 16 will be cancelled out. So finally you will have 4k minus 18 is equal to 0. By solving for k, we will get 18 over 4. And if we reduce this one, we can write it 9 over 2. So if we reduce this fraction into mixed fraction, we will get 4 wholes are 1 by 2, and this is the final value of k. Now come to solve 1c. As like before, first we should let x as a function. F of x is equal to 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 9x plus 2k. Now we should find the value of x by putting x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here we will get x is equal to 3. So we should put the value of x, then we will get f of 3 is equal to 4 multiplication 3 cube plus 6 into 3 square minus 9 into 3 plus 2k. If we calculate this one, we will get 4 multiplication 27 plus 6 multiplication 9 minus 27 plus 2k. So if we calculate this one, we will get 4 multiplication 27, it will be 108. Then 6 multiplication 9, it will be plus 54 minus 27 plus 2k. If we add, after calculating this value, we will get 135 plus 2k. So according to the remainder theorem, we can put f of 3 is equal to 0. Then we can write 135 plus 2k is equal to 0. So by solving this equation for k, we get k is equal to minus 135 over 2. So if we reduce this value, we will get minus 67 wholes are 1 over 2, and this is our final answer. Now come to solve 1d. As like before, we should let x as a function. F of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus kx plus 48. First, we should find the value of x by putting x plus 4 is equal to 0. So here we will get x is equal to minus 4. So instead of x, we should put the value of x, and that is minus 4. So we will get f of minus 4 is equal to minus 4 whole cube plus 5 into minus 4 whole square minus k into minus 4 plus 48. So if you calculate this one, we will get this one from minus 4 whole cube, we will get minus 64. From this value, we will get 16 multiplication 5, we will get 80. Then from this minus value and this minus value will become plus 4k plus 48. So if we calculate this value at 64 plus 4k, as we know, f of minus 4 is equal to 0. So then we can write 64 plus 4k is equal to 0. So if we solve for k, we will get k is equal to minus 64 divided by minus 64 over 4. If we reduce this value, then we will get 16, and this is the value of k. Now come to solve 1a. As like before, let x as a function of f of x is equal to 4x to the power 4 plus 3x cube minus 7x square plus 14x plus k. Now we should find the value of x by putting 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here we will get x is equal to 1 over 2. So instead of x, if we put 1 over 2, we will get 4 into 1 over 2 to the power 4 plus 3 into 1 over 2 cube minus 7 into 1 over 2 square plus 14 multiplication 1 over 2 plus k. If we calculate if we calculate this one furthermore, we will get 4 multiplication 1 over 16 plus 3 multiplication 1 over 8 minus 7 over 4 plus, if we cancel out 27 by 2, we will get 7 here. So here we have plus 7 plus k. If we divide 16 by 4, it will be 4 here. So here we have 1 over 4 plus 3 over 8 minus 7 over 4 plus 7 plus k. So if we do a further calculation, we will get in numerator 47 plus 8k. So according to the remainder theorem, f of 1 over 2 will be 0. So we can write 47 plus 8k over 8 is equal to 0. So we can solve this equation for the value of k. So 8 will go on that side, then it will be 0. So from there we can write k is equal to minus 47 over 8. So if we reduce this one, we will get 5, we will get minus 5 wholes are 7 over 8, and this is our final answer, and this is the value of k. Now come to solve 1f. First let f of x is equal to 2x cubed minus kx plus 12. Now we should find the value of x by putting x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 3. So should now, if we put the value of x, and that is 3, we will get f of 3 is equal to 2x. We will get f of 3 is equal to 2 multiplication 3 cube minus k into 3 plus 12. So here we will get 2 multiplication, it will be 27. So 2 multiplication 27, it will be 54 minus 3k plus 12. So if we do further calculation, we will get 66 minus 3k. So according to the remainder theorem, f of 3 will be is equal to 0. Then we can write 66 minus 3k is equal to 0. So by solving this equation for k, we will get 66 over 3, and if we simplify this one, we will get 22, and the value of k will be 22, and this is our final. Now come to solve 1g. First let f of x is equal to k square x to the power 4 minus 3k x square plus 2. So now we should find the value of x by putting x minus 1 is equal to 0, and x will be 1. So if we put the value of x, and that is 1, we will get f of a is equal to k square into 1 to the power 4 minus 3k into 1 to the power into 1 square plus 2. So we will get here k square minus 3k plus 2. So we know f of 1 will be equal to 0. So we can write k square minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 0. So we should solve this equation to get the value of a. To get the value of k, we should make this expression into factor. 3k, it will be 3k, we can write it 2k minus k plus 2. We should factorize this equation. Then we will, if you take common k from there, we will get k into k minus 2, and if we take minus 1 common from there, then we will get k minus 2, and this will be equal to 0. So if we take k minus 2 common from there we will get k minus 2 into k minus 1, and that is equal to 0. So here we can write k minus 2 is equal to 0, then k will be is equal to 2, and from there k minus 1 will be equal to 0, then k is equal to 1. So we have two answers, one is 2, or the value of k will be 2 or 1, and this is our final answer. Now come to 1h. First let f of x is equal to x plus 1 to the power 5 plus 5x plus k to the power 3. Now we should find the value of x by putting x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x will be minus 2. Now we should put the value of x here, then we will get f of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 plus 1 to the power 5 plus 5 into minus 2 plus k to the power 3. So here we will get minus 1 to the power 5 plus here we will get minus 10 plus k to the power 3. So from there we will get minus 1 plus minus 10 plus k to the power 3. So as like before, we know here f of minus 2 will be 0. So we can make an equation like minus 1 plus minus 10 plus k whole cube is equal to 0. So if we solve this equation for the value of k, we will get minus 10 plus k to the power 0 is equal to 1. So if we put here 1 cube, then both sides the power will be equal, and that is 3, and this one also 3. So when the power is same, then we can write base will be the same. So we can write minus 10 plus k is equal to 1. So by solving this equation, we will get k is equal to 1 plus 10, and it will be 11, and this is the value of k. Now try to understand one more thing, that if we put the value of x, that is minus 2, and the value of k, that is 11, then this expression must be 0. So try to do these things. So if we put the value of x, and that is minus 2, and value of k, that is 11, as we got, then try to get the value of this expression. So here we should here instead of x we should write minus 2 plus 1 to the power 5 plus 5. Instead of x we should put minus 2 plus, instead of k we should put 11 whole cube. So if we simplify this one, from there we will get minus 1, and from here we will get minus 10 plus 11 whole cube. So furthermore, if we do calculation, we will get minus 1 plus minus 10 plus 11, it will be 1. So here cancelling minus 1 and plus 1, we will get 0. So according to the remainder theorem, if we put the value of x and the constant value of k, this expression must be 0. Thanks for watching.